Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks, and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go. It's a quick SPCE video. As we know, Virgin Galactic reports financial results for Q2 of 2021 following the close of the US markets on the 5th of August. The release comes at an interesting time for the business, having achieved the major milestone by undertaking the first civil passenger flight to space. The costs associated with pioneering space travel are so immense, it's difficult to accurately predict on a quarterly basis what to expect. However, what we do know is that going into Q2, back on 1st of April 2021, the company had cash and cash equivalents of $617 million, but recorded a Q1 net loss of $130 million. That compared favorably to the same period last year when it published a loss of $377 million. Clearly, this first space trip in Unity 22, as a reusable spacecraft is called, was always going to be disproportionately expensive. However, the business model is now to work on a commercially competitive package for people to fly over the margin of Earth's atmosphere up into space. In an effort to move ahead with the plan, Virgin Galactic is going to need considerably more money. To this end, the company announced plans to sell $500 million of stock, which came the day following the inaugural flight. This wiped $1 billion off the company's value immediately, taking its market capitalization down to $7.4 billion. Well, what we need from the company now is to provide us a clearer picture of how the remainder of this year develops and to share its vision for the second half with clarity. The more details Branson provides, the better. We don't have high expectations. We know Virgin Galactic is a pre-revenue company, but we need dates, numbers, further company plans in details. So this is what we are waiting for. Let's wait for the 5th of August and see what company is going to tell us. I'm waiting for your SPCE predictions in comments. What are you waiting from the 5th of August? Just tell me in comments. I'm also waiting for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.